Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank
you.
All right. Very good. Very good.
I am fine, thank you.
Yeah. My dear students, I hope all of you are ready with your English Literature Workbook Part 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. So I want all of you to
Yes,
please
ma'am.
show me page number 12 of your literature workbook. Page number 12. Yes. I want to make sure whether you all have written the answers. 12.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Is there any doubt in your mind regarding?
completed.
Yes. Sorry?
Book or textbook.
Literature workbook, my dear. Workbook. I have sent the message in the morning itself. All have completed both the exercises, right? 2.1 and 2.2.
Yes.
All have completed. Yes. Okay, very good. So today,
Join now.
it's okay, Karthik. We have just started. Now we will move to the next exercise.
Ma'am and
Yeah, keep your devices muted, all of you, please. We will move to the next session, next exercise, that is module number 9, exercise 2.1. Module number 9, exercise 2. Page number 25. Page number 25. Are you ready, my dear students?
Yes.
Okay, good, good. Please mute your devices, all of you, and do not unmute them till I call out your name.
Book or test.
Okay. Yes. In module number 9, we are going to start with the first exercise, that is 2.1. 2.1. Okay? 2.1. Yeah. Exercise 2.1 is about the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order.
Alphabetical order.
Yes, we have learnt about it in the earlier class, that is standard 1. Do you remember
Yes.
the
Yes.
alphabetical order?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I want Sri Parvati to unmute her device and tell me what is the alphabetical order.
A B C D.
I want you to tell me the complete thing. What do you understand by alphabetical order?
A B C D E F.
Hmm, hmm.
H.
A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. What are they? You have to tell me clearly.
Alphabetical order.
That is right, my dear. But what are these A, B, C, D, and E? What are they called?
Alphabets.
Sorry?
Alphabet.
No, my dear. There are 26 dash in the English alphabet. There are 26 dash. What are they called? Each one of them, A, B, C, D.
26.
What? Letters. Yes, you're right. These 26, each one of these 26 are called letters. A to Z. And the English alphabet begins with which letter?
A.
A. And it ends with?
A and with Z.
Z. Very good. The English alphabet begins or starts with the letter A and ends with the letter Z. And this sequence or order of 26 letters is called the alphabetical order. There is a particular order in which these letters are arranged, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay, Shri. Thank you very much.
Ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Bhuwana, tell me the order.
Page number.
Page number 25.
Workbook or textbook?
Workbook, my dear. Bhuwana, unmute your device and tell me. Bhuwana, tell me all the 26 letters in their order.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Hmm.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Hmm.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
Huh?
X, Y, and Z.
Yes, very good. W, X, Y, and Z. And this particular sequence or order of arrangement of letters, these 26 letters of the English alphabet is called the alphabetical order. This is the particular order or sequence of arrangement of the 26 letters. Okay, very good, Bhuwana. You answered very smartly and clearly. Thank you. Now, I want Elvin to unmute his device and tell me, out of these 26 letters, there are some 5 letters which are called by a particular name and there are some others which are called by another name. Elvin, unmute and tell me the answer.
Vowels and consonants.
Yeah, which are called the vowels and which are the consonants?
A-E-I-O-U are the vowels.
Very good. And how many are remaining then?
21
21. What are they called?
consonants.
Yes, the remaining 21 letters are called the consonants. Fantastic. A, E, I, O, and U are called the vowels, whereas the remaining 21 letters of the English alphabet are called the consonants. Fantastic. Thank you, Elvin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, what we are going to do today is arrange the given words in alphabetical order. You all can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words are given here. How many? 6. We need to arrange each one of them in the alphabetical order. So, Joanna Rose, unmute your device and tell me, when we are trying to arrange
Page number
25. Okay. When we are trying to arrange some given words in the alphabetical order, which letter of the word should we take into consideration the first? Which letter of the word should we consider first? Which letter should we consider first?
ma'am.
Yeah. Which letter of each word should we consider first to arrange them in the alphabetical order? Which letter? The first one, the second one, the last one, which one? Which letter should we check first?
For
For arranging in the alphabetical order, which letter should we check first? Sorry?
C-O-V-V-L-E-O.
Which letter should we check first? Which letter? The first, the second, the third, fourth, which one? Which letter should we check first?
The circle.
Juvana, listen to my question. I asked you, we have to arrange these 6 letters in alphabetical order, right? So to arrange them in the alphabetical order, which letter of these words should we check first? Alphabetical order, A, B, C, D. Which letter of these words should we check? Joanna doesn't know, I think. Okay, Isabel?
First.
Yes, you're right. We have to check the first letter. Isabel, is that your answer?
C.
Yes, the first letter. So tell me which one is the first letter or will be the first word.
Ka.
Okay, Joanna, thank you. Yes, Isabel, give me the answer. Which word out of these 6 words will be the first one?
C O
Hmm.
B L E R.
Yes, you're right. Cobbbler. Try to read that word. Break it and read it. I know that it is a new word for you. So break it and read it. Come on.
Clomber.
No. C-O-B. Cob. B-L-E-R. Blur. Cobbler. Cobbler.
Clomber.
Cobbler.
Clomber.
Cobbler.
Cobbler.
Cobbler, yeah. Does anybody know who is a cobbler? Yes? Karthik knows? Who knows? Yes, Evelyn, try. Okay, thank you, Isabel. Your answer is right. The first word to be written here is the cobbler. Yes, Evelyn. Who is a cobbler? I saw you raising your hand. Who is called a cobbler?
I don't know.
You don't know. I saw you raising your hand. That's why I asked. No problem. I will tell you. Does anybody else know who is a cobbler? Yes, Shri Parvati, try.
The person who makes shoes or chapels.
Okay, very good. A person who makes or mends. Mends means repairs. Repairs.
Yes.
If something is broken, it will be repaired by the cobbler. A person who makes or mends shoes is called a cobbler. Very good, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Shri. Dear, unmute. Which word would come after the word cobbler? The first one is cobbler. What is the next one?
D.
Sorry?
D.
Tell me the word.
D.
Uh,
D. O. C.
Yes.
T. O. R.
Read the word. Doctor. Very good. D-O-C-T-O-R. Doctor. Okay, thank you. Seba, unmute. Tell me the third one.
N-U-R-S-E.
N-U-R.
S-E.
Okay. Read that word. Read it. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse.
N-U-R-S-E. Nurse.
Yes, very good. Okay. N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Okay, wonderful. Neva, unmute. Tell me the next one.
Pen.
Sorry?
P-E-N. Pen.
Yes, you're right. P-E-N, pen. Okay. Irene, thank you, Neva. Irene, try the fifth one.
Ma'am, I am in mother house.
So what? You can see the shared screen, right? It doesn't
Yes,
matter where you are. Look at the shared screen and tell me which word will come next. Only 2 words are remaining, singer and teacher. So which one will come after the word pen? We are arranging in the alphabetical order. Come on.
one more repeat the
Ah.
question.
See, can you see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here we have arranged 4 words already. Now only 2 words are remaining, teacher and singer. We are arranging the words in alphabetical order. So after the word pen, which word out of these 2 words will come next? Which word out of these 2 remaining words will come next?
Singer.
Singer, very good. You're right. So let us write the spelling. S-I, yeah, very good. S-I-N-G-E.
Singer.
Yes, singer. Okay, good, my dear. Aaron, what would be the last word?
Singer.
Singer, we have written it. Then
Teacher.
teacher. Yes, the last word to be written is teacher. I hope everybody is able to remember how we must arrange the given words in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Okay. Nazia, unmute your device and tell me. For example, if there are 2 words that have the same first letter. Just now we discussed and we have solved this exercise. We gave importance to the first letter, right, of each word. And according to that, we have arranged the words. Now just imagine a situation if there are 2 words, A-N-T and A-R-T, art. Both have the same first letter A. Now what should we do? Nazia, think. What should we do, Nazia? Which letter should we check then?
First.
If the first letters are the same, then which letter should we check? The second letter. Yes, very good. If the first letters of 2 words are same, then we must go and check the second letter of both the words. And if the second letters are also same, then we must go to the third letter and so on. Did everybody understand the process? Are you able to recollect?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Okay, very good, my dear. Thank you, Nazia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Did everybody complete writing the answers? All of you? Yes, or do you need time? Okay, this much time is enough, I think, right? Let us move to the next exercise, okay? Exercise 2.2. 2.2. Wraith, unmute your device. Wraith. In exercise 2.2, we have to number the sets of words in each column in alphabetical order. Wraith, unmute your device. Unmute.
1.
No, I want you to read all the number names given here.
1, 2, 3.
3 is not there.
1, 2, 4,
Hmm.
6.
1, 2, 4, 6. Okay. You have to arrange all these words in the alphabetical order.
4.
Sorry? Yes, very good. So we have to number the sets. Number. So we have to give for number 1. Why did you choose the number name 4?
F.
Why? The letter?
Alphabet.
Yes, because of the letter F. Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, my dear. Angela, which number would come next?
1.
1. Okay, so we will give number 2 to number 1, right? Number 2 to number 1. Okay, thank you, Angela. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Daksha, unmute. Which number will get number 3? Daksha, can you hear me?
5.
Sorry?
Yes.
6. Did you say 6?
Yes.
Yes, 6. Okay, very good. Thank you, Daksha. Joanna Joshi, which number will get number 4? The 4th position.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number gets the 4th position?
6.
6. 6 I have given 3rd position. The 4th position.
4.
4 is 1st position. Joanna, think and give the answer, my dear.
7.
7. Joanna, I want you to read these number names, all the 4.
1, 2,
7 is not there at all in the list.
5.
Joanna Joshi, read these number names. Are you on page number 25? Are you on page number 25, Joanna? Unmute.
Yes.
Yeah, you can look at the screen and tell me. To arrange these number names in alphabetical order, first position goes to number 4, second to number 1, third to number 6, and 4th one. We are arranging them in alphabetical order according to the sequence of the first letter. So which is the 4th one? Which is the 4th one?
4.
4 is number 1. Joanna, tell me the sequence of letters in the alphabetical order. Come on. A, B,
C, D,
Mm.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
mm,
R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
yes. So A, nothing is there. B, nothing is there. C, D, E. No word here starts with A, B, C, D, E. Next comes F. So we have written the number name 4, first position. Then after 4, after F, G, H, I, you have to see the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. There are no words. Then comes O. So we give 2. P, Q, R. No words are there. Then comes S. So we have given 3 to 6. T. After S comes T. So we have to give 4th position to the number name 2. Understood now?
Yes.
We have learned this in 1st standard, Joanna. Did you forget? Yeah, you must not forget so easily. This is a very simple thing.
Okay,
Okay, don't forget. Concentrate in the class. Be attentive.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Anna Rose, let us try to arrange the names of the months of the year in alphabetical order. Tell me.
April.
Hmm?
April.
April, very good. April gets number 1. Then,
December.
yes, then,
January.
and the last one is
May.
May. Okay, very good. That was a quick and smart response, Anna. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Welcome. Rudraksh, unmute. Try to arrange the days of the week in the alphabetical order.
Friday. Monday.
Hmm?
Tuesday. Wednesday.
Yes, very good. Say it once again. First position goes to
Friday.
Friday. Then,
Monday.
hmm?
Tuesday and
Wednesday. Yes. Did everybody get the same answers? Have you noted down the answers carefully? All of you? Is there anybody who is finding any difficulty in viewing the screen? I hope all of you are able to remember, recollect the way of arranging letters in the alphabetical order. Sorry, words in the alphabetical order. So once again, let me remind you of the rule. If the first letter of any two words is the same, we must move to the next letter. Check the second letter. If the first and second both letters of words are same, we must check the third letter. Keep that in mind. All right? All of you, please check the answers. Okay? Have you completed marking all the answers correctly? Let me stop sharing. Please show me the work done by you, all of you. Show me the work. Are you able to remember, recollect how we have to arrange the letters in alphabetical order? Okay, very good. Yes, well done. Irene, where is your book? Aldrina, where is the book? Elvin, where is your book? Okay. Okay, very good. So let me ask you to close your books and keep it aside. I had instructed all of you to read the exercise that we have done about the rooms in a house. Rooms in a house. Who all have read that? Please raise your hands. Who all have read that exercise? About how many rooms did we learn in that session? About how many rooms? Yes, Elvin. About how many rooms have we learned in that exercise?
Bedroom.
About how many? Means you have to tell me the number. About how many rooms have we learned? Yes. Okay, fine. You name them. If you don't remember the number, it's okay. Fine. You name them.
Bathroom. Bedroom. Living room. Kitchen. Dining room.
Yes, that's enough. That's enough. We have learned only about these 5 rooms, right? Okay, good, Elvin. Agnes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Name 2 things about 2 things which are kept in the living room. Any 2 things.
Sofa,
Yes.
center table.
Sofa and the center table. Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, welcome. Rudraksh, name two things kept in the dining room. Rudraksh, unmute.
Dining table, fridge.
Dining table and fridge. Okay, what is the complete name of the fridge?
The refrigerator.
Refrigerator. Very good, very good. Thank you. Ayappadas, unmute. Name two things kept in the bathroom.
Toilet and dirty clothes.
Say once again, please.
Toilet and dirty clothes.
Two things kept in the bathroom. A toilet is a part of the bathroom, or it may be a separate room also.
Basket.
Basket, okay? What about the toothbrush and toothpaste? Where do we keep it? Where do we keep them?
Bathroom.
In the bathroom, yes. Very good, Ayappadas. Thank you. Then, Ivan Tom, unmute your device and tell me two things which are kept in the kitchen. Two things kept in the kitchen. Yes, Ivan.
Plate.
Sorry?
Plate.
Plates. Okay. Utensils. You can say utensils or vessels. Then one more.
Stove.
Gas stove.
Gas stove.
Gas stove.
Gas.
Okay, okay. Good effort. Thank you. Then I want Alrina, unmute your device and tell me two things kept in the bedroom.
Yes,
Any two things kept in the bedroom.
Bed,
Yes, Alrina.
Bed.
Bed and
table, table,
Table.
which table?
table, lamp.
Which table? There is a particular name for that table. What is it? Where people sit in front of it and get ready.
Table lamp.
Table lamp. Table lamp. Yes, you're right. You're right. Okay, my dear. Good.
Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am.
Yeah. Then there is another table which is generally kept in the bedroom, in front of which the people would sit and get ready. If they have to go for a function, there would be a mirror on that table. What is the name of that table? Who remembers? Raise your hands. There would be a mirror as well. Yes, Ray. Unmute. Try.
Dressing table.
Dressing table. Yes, very good. Did you all write and learn the names of all these rooms? Spellings? Yes? No? Those who have not done it, please do it. 5 times. Each name 5 times. Right and left. Okay? So thank you very much. We will meet in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.